Remove the screw on the tensiometer near the cable, then fill it up with clean water and make sure to evacuate all the air bubbles from the tensiometer. Replace the cap, making sure that the gasket is in good condition. Choose a location representative of your field for your installation of your station. If you know the location of your drains, choose a location 1/3 and 2/3 away from 2 drains and 1/3 and 2/3 away of 2 irrigation sprinklers. Also keep away from the dikes. The solar panel must always face the south. Once the location has been chosen, insert your station into the ground by pressing on the steel support and not on the device, and never use a hammer to insert the device in the ground. Install the support of PVC temperature sensor away from the device. You can use a hammer to insert it into the ground only if you have previously removed the sensor from the holder. Insert it until the sensor is at the bud level. It may be necessary to adjust the installation height over the season. On device older than 2019, you need to remove the rubber from the probe to insert it in the holder, then reinstall the temperature sensor in this rubber. The new sensor, you only need to insert the probe into the PVC holder. Make a hole using a garden shovel, taking care to save this hole for later. For the cranberry, the installation is done at an angle to have the middle of the white ceramic at 4 inches or 10 centimeters, and have 1 inches or 3 centimeters of soil covering the tensiometer. The tensiometer must absolutely be covered by the ground, otherwise the tension will be erratic. Replace the soil, making sure there is a good soil contact between the ceramic and the ground, and making sure to not leave any space between the tensiometer and the ground. Finally, replace the plant cover above the tensiometer. For a station with a shielded temperature sensor, simply insert the support into the ground by pressing on it. Never use a hammer to insert it. The sensor should be at 3 inches or 8 centimeters from the top of the crop. For a station with a water level sensor, make a hole using a ground auger with a diameter at least of 3 inches or 8 centimeters and at least 63 inches long or 160 centimeters long. Put the soil in a bucket to fill up the perimeter of the pipe once it has been installed. Then insert the sensor at the bottom of the pipe. Measure the part out of the ground and remove it from the length of the pipe of 59 inches or 150 centimeters, which allows to know the installation depth of the sensor. Then enter this information in ERLS in advance, then sensor and modify the installation depth of the sensor.